last lesson, the right hand ended with finger 1 on an A and finger 4 on a D. We're going to start this lesson on a C sharp, which is one black note to the left of that D that we ended on. We're going to start with finger 2 on that C sharp, and we're going to play the C sharp with finger 2, D with finger 3, E with finger 4. C sharp, D, E. And then we're going to repeat that a couple of times. Okay, so we have 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Stop on the C sharp on the 4th time. And we're still going to play the D and E again, but we're going to switch fingers. The 4th time, we're going to cross under with our thumb and play the D with finger 1 and the E with finger 2. Okay, so we have fingers 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2. And then we're going to continue up the keyboard from the E to the F and then to the G with fingers 3 and 4. So we have cross under. From here we're going to go back to the E, to the F, to the G again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, cross under, and then back to the E, and again, back to the E again. Let's do that part again. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross under. That's the first one. Second one, third one, and again on the 4th, we're going to cross under with our thumb again to play that F and G again. Same notes, but different fingers. Fingers 1 and 2 that time. So again, first one, second one, third one, 4th one, cross under, first one, second one, third one, 4th one, cross under, and then we're going to continue up to the A and the B flat, and then again, G, A, B flat, G, A, B flat, G, and we're going to stop on the A with finger 3. The G, A flat are going to be played with fingers 2, 3, and 4. From the beginning, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, and stop on the A. Again, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, stop on the A. Let me play the whole part now without saying anything. Try to count to yourself like I've been doing so you get the number of repetitions correct. A little faster. And one more time, even a little faster. Now, the left hand is going to be playing exactly the same notes. We just have to get the fingers correct. The left hand is going to be starting 1 octave lower. Here's where we start with the right hand. Here's where we start with the left hand. The left hand is going to start on finger 3 with the C sharp, to the D with finger 2, and the E with finger 1. So we have C sharp, D, E. Fingers 3, 2, 1. And it's going to repeat that just like the right hand did. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Notice that all 4 times we're using the same fingering in the left hand, slightly different from what we did in the right hand in terms of the fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to cross over with finger number 2 on the F, and then play the G with finger 1. Let's go up to there. And then we're going to go back to the E and repeat F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G. Again, that's 4 times. Notice there is a little overlap between the 4th time of the first part and the first time of the second part. In other words, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, first time of the new part, second time, third time, 4th time. And then we're going to cross over again with finger 2 to go to the A and finger 1 on the B flat. Let's do that again. First time, second time, third time, 4th time, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, and we're crossing over to the A and B flat. That was the first time. Then we go back to the G, second time, the G again, third time, the G again, 4th time, and remember the 4th time we end on the A, this time with finger number 2 in the left hand. Let's do it again. First time, second time, third time, 4th time, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, first time, second time, third time, 4th time. Now I'm going to do it without saying anything, just the left hand. And a little faster. And even faster. Let's put both hands together. Remember, the right hand is starting on finger 2 on the C sharp, the left hand on finger 3. So we have finger 2 and 3, and then the right hand goes to finger 3 on the D, the left hand to finger 2, and then the right hand to finger 3 on the E, and the left hand to finger 1. And we're going to repeat that 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. On the 4th time, remember, the right hand crosses under with the thumb, but the left hand keeps doing what it was doing. So finger 1 on the right hand, still finger 2 on the left hand, and finger 2 on the right hand, finger 1 on the left hand. Let's just do up to there. Cross under. Again, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under in the right hand. Now remember, the right hand is going to just go to finger 3 on the F, but the left hand now is going to cross over with finger 2 to get to that F. And then the left hand will continue to finger 1 on the G, while the right hand goes to finger 4. So from the beginning, first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under in the right hand. Now cross over in the left hand. And then we're going to go back to the E with finger 2 in the right hand and finger 3 in the left hand. And now it's... So we have first time, second time, third time, 4th time, cross under in the right hand, then cross over in the left hand, and now go back to the E with finger 2 in the right hand and 3 in the left hand, and then finger 2 in the left hand, 3 in the right hand, finger 1 in the left hand, finger 4 in the right hand. Let's go up to there. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over, back to the E, second time, third time, and then the fourth time, we're going to repeat. We're going to cross under with finger 1 in the right hand, and the left hand won't change. And we go to the G with finger 2 in the right hand, and the left hand with finger 1. Let's go up to there. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over to the A with finger 2 in the left hand, still finger 3 in the right hand, finger 1 in the left hand on the B flat, finger 4 in the right hand on the B flat. From the beginning. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over, first time, then back to finger 3 in the left hand on the G, finger 2 on the right hand, finger 2 on the left hand on the A, finger 3 in the right hand, and finger 1 in the left hand on the B flat, finger 4 with the right hand. So we have first time, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over, second time, third time, fourth time, cross under, cross over, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and stop. Let's do it now without me saying anything. Try to count by yourself. Faster. And even faster. Now the good news is that's essentially the whole part. We're just going to repeat that whole thing, exactly what we just did, 1 octave higher. So we started here with finger 3 on the C sharp in the left hand, finger 2 on the C sharp in the right hand. We're just going to shift up 1 full octave, and we're going to play that whole part again. Let's go through it 1 octave higher. Okay, and now let's put both of those together. We'll do the lower octave first, followed by the higher octave. And a little faster. And you may want to add a little pedal to this at your own discretion. Let me play it again with just a little bit of pedal. And now let's play the whole thing from the beginning of the song up through what we just learned. I know I showed you 2 ways to do this in the beginning, once with the G sharp and once with the G. It's up to you which one you want to do. Both transcriptions exist. I'm going to do the G sharp.